In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Canva poster. Whether you're creating a personalized event announcement, promoting a product, or simply having fun with digital design, Canva offers a user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of creating visually stunning posters. Let's dive right in and see how you can bring your creative vision to life. First, head over to Canva's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL canva.com. This will take you to the home page. Once there, you'll see the Login option at the top right corner of the page. Click on it. If it's your first time using Canva, you can sign up for a free account, but assuming you have an account, click on Continue to proceed with your chosen method, such as a Google account. After logging in, you'll want to search for the type of template you're interested in. In this case, type Poster into the search bar. Once you hit search, you'll be greeted with a variety of poster templates. You can browse through these options and click on any template that catches your eye. If you want more flexibility and creative control, you also have the option to start from scratch, so feel free to click on Create a Blank Poster to begin your design journey from the ground up. Once you've decided on your starting point, it's time to start designing. On the left-hand side of the Canva workspace, you'll see a variety of tools. Click on Elements to browse through shapes, lines, and various illustrations. Suppose you wish to add some flair to your poster. In that case, you can search for specific design elements like geometric shapes or icons. Use the See All option if you want to explore more items available in a category. After selecting an element, you can click and drag it to the desired location on your poster. Need to adjust its size or rotate it? Simply click on the element and resizing handles will appear, allowing you to resize or rotate as needed to perfectly fit your design. Now let's add some text. Click on Text in the toolbar and then choose Add a Heading. Here you can type the title or main message of your poster. You can customize the font style, size, and color to match your theme. Remember, you can always click and drag the text box to reposition it where it feels right within your design. Additionally, for more detailed descriptions or information, select Add a little bit of body text. This is where you can convey more information or details like event dates or contact information. Again, make sure to click to select the text box. If you need to adjust it, then drag it to position it appropriately on your poster. Once you are satisfied with the arrangement and details, give your design a final review. This is the moment to make any last-minute adjustments to ensure everything looks perfect. And there you have it. You've created a visually appealing poster using Canva, ready to impress your audience or serve its intended purpose. Thank you for watching and happy designing.